Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners on Bob Igenis. Another update, getting very overextended from the rotation zone on the 4 hour. An overbought coming up through our cluster 1,110, spiking up. We have 1,132 to 1,138, spiking in there, just closing above our 1,110, finding support at that level. You can see it right there. It's a little hard to see. And pausing. So now what we're going to do, we got a pausing bar. I don't need some of these levels, but I'll adjust them later. All right. So that's what we're looking at. Let me bring back the retracement levels. There we go. All right, so first level of support is about 1,060. Then we'll start watching about 1,037, and then the bottom of the rotation zone coming in at about 1,023. So we have lots of support between about 1,023 and about 1,037. That's going to be the major support level. Let's look at the daily, and I'll give out those things for higher. Also, we're really getting overextended from the daily rotation zone. Doesn't mean it has to stop in this overbought condition, but just be aware that you can suffer quick reversals at this point. Major support coming in is about that 10,030 to 37. So between 10,020 to 10,037 is, or 1,037, not 10,000. That's going to be your major support level right now in the daily. If it did break through there, we'd be watching for 977. To the upside, above 1,135, we got 1,163, and then 1,191 to 1,196. So essentially the right before the 1,200 level. Above that, we got 1,248. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.